Good morning, children. How you all? Are you fine? Okay. Thank you. Yesterday we discussed up to exercise 1 in MM. Yes? Have you learned yesterday's exercise? Okay. Revise it properly what I am saying. Okay. And we will send you the CWs also to you through WhatsApp. Okay, ma? So now listen carefully. See that exercise. In the previous class we discussed only exercise 1, now exercise 2. See the first question in exercise 2, 400 plus 9 10 C's. 400 plus 9 10 C's. What is 400 and 9 tenths? Listen, ma. What is 400? 400. 9 tenths 90. If you add these two, what you will get? 490. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 490. Okay. Secondly, 200 plus 48. They given, if you observe, they given in expanded notation and they are asking us to write again in expanded notation only to how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there in this question. This is the question. What is that? 200 plus 48 equal to how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones. If you observe that, how many 200 plus 48 nothing but 248. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. How many ones are there? 8 ones are there. Okay, ma? Next. Circle the odd number out. Circle the odd number out. How you will circle the odd number? See that? They given 868, 1866, 1867, 1868. Listen, they ask us which is odd number out. Odd one means which is different from others. So if you observe this 868, 66 and here 8. These are all even numbers. Only this one is the odd number. What is an even number? Children, what is an even number? The number which can make equal number of pairs, or else a number which has 0, 2, 6, 4, 8 at one's place. Those are all even numbers. The numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 at one's place, those are odd numbers. So basing on that, this is the odd number given in this list. Okay, ma? Write the smallest 4-digit number is. The smallest 4-digit number is. The smallest 4-digit number is. What is the smallest 4-digit number, children? What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. How you will get the smallest 4-digit number? Already I told you to say the smallest 1 digit 1, smallest 2 digit 10, smallest 3 digit 100. Now smallest 4 digit 1000. Smallest 4 digit 1000. So next one. The sum of 635 and the sum of 635 and 370 is. What is meant by sum of? Sum means the resulting number in addition is called sum. Sum means by adding what you will get. So 635 plus 370. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 7, 10. write 1 here. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer is 1005. So the answer is 1005. Next one. Taking away 9 from 90. Taking away 9 from 90 is. Listen now. 9 from 90. If you understood, taking away, the word taking away. If you listen, means what you have to do. Already in the previous class, already we told you. If they ask sum of, total, all together, in those cases we used to do addition, but now they are asking taking away. Taking away a word, taking away how much more, how much left, how much less, like that the question if they ask means we go through the subtraction. Taking away 9 from 90. If you take 9 from 90, how much you will get? See that. 90 minus 9. So 0 minus 9 not possible now. So now you have to borrow. How you will borrow? You have to borrow from the before number. What is the before number? 9. So now it becomes 10 and the before number becomes 1 less. So 8. 10 minus 9, 1, 8. So answer is 81. So the answer is 81. Next one. Next, 7 more than 103 is. 7 more than 103 is. What is 7 more than 103? More than is how much more? It is 7. If you give 7 more to 103, how much it is? So 103 plus 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1, 1. So answer is 110. 8th one. 18 tens plus 9 ones is. 18 tens plus 9 ones is how much? 18 tens plus 9 ones is how much? If you observe that 18 tens 180, 8 tens 80. 2 tens 20, 5 tens 50, 4 tens 40, like that. 18 tens means 18 into 10. 18 tens 180. 9 ones 9. 2 ones 2, 3 ones 3, like that. 9 ones 9. So 180 plus 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 8, 1. So 180 plus 9, 189. What is 180 plus 9? 189. What is 180 plus 9? Then 189. Next one. Complete the series. They given a series of numbers for us. 535. Next one. 530. 525. Okay. What comes next in this series? What numbers comes in this series? Series means a grouping of numbers. Some numbers group was given. And they ask us to find what comes next in this series. What comes next in this series. So there may be like this patterns or series. There may be some addition or subtraction of numbers will be in this middle of the relation. So series first one 535, 530, 525. So 535, 535. What is the difference between 535 and 530? 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 5. That means if you subtract 5 from 535, you will get 530. If you subtract 5 from 530, you will get 525. So in this pattern, like this pattern, if you subtract 505 from 525, you will get the next numbers. Now, so you have to subtract. How you will subtract 525 minus 5? 5 minus 5, 0, 2 and 5. So what the next number we will get, Amma? 520. What the next number you will get? 520. Next, basing on the sequence, 535 minus 5 is 530. If you subtract 5, you will get 525. If you subtract 5, you will get 520. Again, if you subtract 5 from 520, 520 minus 5. So 0 minus 5 not passed with 10. Now it is 1. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 1 and 5. 515. What it is? 515. Like that you will complete the pattern. At last one, 4 tricycles have 4 tricycles have how many wheels? How many wheels? Children, if you observe, a cycle have how many wheels? 2 wheels. Yes. Here the question is tricycles. Tricycle means a cycle which is having 3 wheels. A cycle which is having 3 wheels. So 4 tricycles. 4 into how many wheels each one having? 4 tricycles na? 4 into. Each tricycle having how many wheels? 3 wheels. 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes 12. So how many wheels are there? 12 wheels are there. How many wheels are there? 12 wheels are there. Like that, if they ask how many wheels are there for 2 cars, 1 car having 4 wheels. 2 cars means 2 into 4, 8. Like that you can say. Okay, children. Like that you can complete it. Okay, ma. And you have to enter the notes. We will send you the notes through WhatsApp for you. Okay, enter that notes and write very carefully your notes. Okay, and do the homeworks regularly what we are giving. Okay, children, don't write any mistakes while writing the notes. Okay, write very carefully and don't write any mistakes while writing the notes. Okay, we'll send through WhatsApp to you. And write the homeworks regularly. Have you written yesterday's homework, children? Write regularly the homeworks what the teachers are giving. Okay, children? So, okay, ma. Take care of your health and don't roam outside. Okay, don't roam outside and don't play outside because outside we know that disease is corona. So, because of that, we need not to go outside. Stay at home. Okay? Take care of your health, children. Goodbye, ma.